Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package, mobile office package, tow and haul, bed utility, and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We get a tailgate step and a bed liner, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot and turn light indicated mirrors with spotlights. We also have mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we have two two tow hooks, block heater, front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space with a B&O Sound System, flat fold storage system. You have floor mats, a carpeted interior, cup holders, got a 12 volt there, 2 USB Cs, and 120. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. Parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, and tailgate opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 694 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, talk over your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a leather-wrapped gear slide. You have your speeds. It is collapsible. Storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad, more outlets. Leather-wrapped center console that does turn into an interior work surface, as well as you do have your storage underneath. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, and dual climate. Got 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below. Storage right here, and we do get a nice rear window opener. We have our auto stop auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, traction, and hill. We also get our BLUECRUISE right here as well. And looking at our main screen here, let me just get it there. We have our audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities. We got our phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA36761, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.